So due to some reason we couldn't do that story of Rosa. We are taking another story, the greatest treasure. Okay.
By Ahmed Garg.
I'll just tell you one thing, students. This Amit Garg stories are really good. He follows very good stress. That's why I was doing that story. Only because of some sound problem, we couldn't do it. Okay. But if you want to do story reading or storytelling, follow this one. It's very good.
One day,
One day.
Peter found a treasure map.
So see, one day. How? What's a stress? ओके जब हम कोई भी इंफॉर्मेशन की बात करते हैं, कोई भी फैक्ट्स फिगर्स की बात करते हैं, तो हम उस चीज को अच्छे से बोलते हैं. ओके सब्जेक्ट्स पर यहां पर हम स्ट्रेस देंगे, सब्जेक्ट और वर्ब्स पर, बिकॉज दे आर गिविंग अस सम इंफॉर्मेशन. पीटर फाउंड अ ट्रेजर मैप. कितने क्लियरली वो बोल रहा है. ओके तो हमें सबसे पहले क्लियर स्ट्रेस सीखनी है. इंग्लिश बोलते वक्त हमें कितना क्लैरिटी रखनी है अपनी स्पीच में. ओके पीटर फाउंड अ ट्रेजर मैप. एक ट्रेजर मैप उसने फाउंड किया, उसे मिला.
Hooray!
हुर्रे.
I'm going to find.
सो व्हाट इज दिस? हुर्रे एक्सप्रेशन, इंटरजेक्शन. तो कहीं पर भी अगर जहां पर भी एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क आएगा, दैट मीन्स इट्स एन एक्सप्रेशन, बिकॉज ही गॉट दैट ट्रेजर मैप. ही इज वेरी हैप्पी, ही इज वेरी एक्साइटेड. वो बहुत खुश है कि उसको ट्रेजर मैप मिला. आई एम गोइंग टू फाइंड दिस ट्रेजर. So see, I subject, am helping verb, going main verb, to preposition. Okay, find again main verb. This treasure object.
This treasure and have some adventure.
And have some adventure. तो यहां देखो क्या हेल्पिंग वर्ब यूज किया, एंड हैव. हैज सम एडवेंचर नहीं बोला, क्योंकि ही शीट के साथ हैज यूज होता है. बट आई के साथ जब हम ऐसे इस तरीके सब्जेक्ट को यूज करते हैं, आई फाउंड अ ट्रेजर मैन एंड आई विल हैव सम एडवेंचर विथ इट. आई विल हैव, शी हैज. ओके
He exclaimed.
he exclaimed.
Peter set off.
So see, this is again, what is this phrase? Peter set off. Okay, वो गया वहां पर. अभी उसको ये ट्रेजर मैप के बारे में और जानना है और एक्सप्लोर करना है. Peter set off.
He walked a long way.
So see, here you are learning the tense also. He walked a long way. Okay, तो कैसा चला, वो बहुत दूर तक गया. तो past tense, he walked. ed. तो ये है मेन वर्ब, और जब मेन वर्ब में ed लग जाता है तो वो क्या बन जाता है, past tense. He walked, I walked, she walked, they walked a long way. He walked a long way.
And finally reached the forest.
And finally, where did he reach? Okay, he reached a forest. आप ऐसे करके भी एक्ट कर सकते हो in front of the mirror. Try to act out the story. That way और मजा आएगा आपको पढ़ने में जब आप एक्शन के साथ स्टोरी करोगे. ओके एंड फाइनली रीच्ड, बिकॉज वो वहां पहुंच गया ऑलरेडी. दैट्स व्हाई आई एम सेइंग रीच्ड. रीच किस में चेंज हो गया, रीच्ड में. दिस इज व्हाट, मेन वर्ब. Where did he reach? To a forest. And finally reached a forest. Repeat.
And finally reached a forest.
Very good.
There he met lion.
There he met. Okay, similar lion say. There he met a lion. I met my friend today. So try to relate practical sentences like this with the story. I met my friend today. She met her friend today. She met her friend today. He met his friend today. I met his parents. उसके पेरेंट्स से मैं मिली. I met her parents. उस लड़की के पेरेंट्स से मैं आज मिली. Okay, I met. There he met lion.
You are strong and courageous.
So what is this? You are strong and courageous. Okay, what is strong and courageous? ना तो ये सब्जेक्ट है ना ऑब्जेक्ट है, फिर क्या है ये? उसकी क्वालिटी है. वेरी गुड पंकज, उसकी क्वालिटी है. तो क्वालिटी और फीचर्स कौन बताता है हमको? एडजेक्टिव. ओके, ही इज बोल्ड, ही इज हैंडसम, शी इज स्मार्ट, शी इज क्लेवर. ओके, उसकी क्वालिटीज. ये चेयर कैसी है? स्ट्रांग है. ये रिमोट कैसा है? ड्यूरेबल है. इट्स ड्यूरेबल, स्ट्रांग. ओके, तो वो लायन कैसा था? स्ट्रांग एंड courageous. Courageous. You are strong and courageous.
You are strong and courageous.
Okay, means आप बहुत, एक तो बहुत ताकतवर हो एंड आपके अंदर बहुत करेज है. ओके, नेचुरली ही इज द किंग ऑफ द जंगल, किंग ऑफ द फॉरेस्ट. वो तो करेजियस हो गई, राइट?
Just said Peter to lion.
Said Peter to lion. Okay,
Would you come with me on a
so
trip?
see again a question. Will you come with me? हमने हेल्पिंग वर्ब से क्वेश्चन बनाया था ना. Will you come with me? Will you join me? So story teaches you question framing also. Story आपको question framing भी सिखाता है, right? So will you come on a treasure hunt with me? Treasure hunt means वो आपने गेम सुना है ना, वो ट्रेजर हंट गेम, जिसमें कई सारे हिडन ट्रेजर्स होते हैं, वो आपको ढूंढने होते हैं. ओके, सो ही हैज फाउंड अ ट्रेजर मैप. ओके, अलग अलग टाइप जगह पे जाके वो ट्रेजर हंट करने वाला है. ओके, दैट्स द नेम ऑफ द गेम. सो ही इज आस्किंग, विल यू कम ऑन अ ट्रेजर हंट विथ मी?
Treasure hunt? Lion agreed and
Lion agreed and joined Peter. Agreed means saying yes. Okay, Lion agreed and joined. Again ed, this is main verb. तो join में ed लग गया तो past tense. And joined, उसने पीटर को join किया. I joined the party. Okay, I joined him. Okay,
joined Peter. The forest was dense and dark.
so how was the forest? The forest was dense and dark. Okay, again these are the qualities of the features of the forest. How was the forest? It was dense. बहुत घना जंगल था, बहुत dark था वहाँ. Dense and dark. Oh, this place looks dense. Okay, the forest was dense and dark. Was helping verb, past tense. He's talking about past tense. Okay,
Peter was afraid.
Peter was afraid. He was
But
scared,
with the lion by his side,
but
he made it through.
he made it through. Again, this is an expression. He made it through. तो जब भी न्यू एक्सप्रेशन आएगा, मार्क इट विथ पर्पल कलर. ही मेड इट थ्रू, मतलब उसने वो काम कर लिया, उसने वो चीज कर ली. ही मेड इट थ्रू. आई मेड इट थ्रू. आई डिड इट समहाउ. आई डिड इट एनी हाउ. ओके, तो जब आप कुछ टास्क कंप्लीट कर लेते हो, कुछ टास्क अकम्प्लिश कर लेते हो, व्हाट डू वी से? ओ, ही मेड इट थ्रू. आई मेड इट थ्रू. ओके, इज दैट क्लियर? He made it through. You can write it afterwards. I'll give you this story in pen drive. You want to write? Write. I made it through. It's an expression. So mark expressions with purple color. Any new thing you are learning, mark it with purple color, like dense, dark, forest. Any sentence which you are finding new, will you come and join me? Write it with a different color. That will teach you how to make new sentences, how to learn new vocabularies. And made it through.
When the two
Finally reached the mountain, when two finally reached the mountain, again, reached is main verb. They finally reached the mountain.
They met eagle.
They met eagle. Who did they meet? They met eagle. They met eagle. Past tense. किससे मिले वो? Eagle से.
You have excellent vision and can alert us.
You have excellent vision. कैसा है आपका vision? Excellent. Naturally eagle बहुत ऊपर से भी देख सकता है. Excellent. अच्छा उसका vision है. And can alert us to dangers. तो कोई भी danger आएगा, he can alert them. Okay, where we say no, when the fire alarm rings, okay, it alerts us if there is any fire. That's the meaning of alert. हमें aware कराता है वो कि okay, something is happening wrong. Okay, can alert us to dangers,
To dangers, said Peter to Eagle.
said Peter to eagle.
Will you come with us?
See again a question. Will you come with us? So when you're learning a new question, write it down. Will you come with us? Will you join us? And this question is in future tense. Will you come with us? Okay? Clear until here?
We're looking for a treasure.
So see, we are looking for, जब हम कुछ चीज देख रहे होते हैं, I'm looking for a t-shirt. I'm looking for some good pair of shoes. Okay? I'm looking for a bag. Oh, I'm looking for a mobile. I left it somewhere here. जब आप कुछ भूल जाओ, oh, I'm looking, ma'am, for my mobile. I left it somewhere here. Oh, please go ahead. And there it is. So we are looking for a treasure. Naturally, वो treasure के लिए looking कर रहे हैं कहाँ पर treasure है. Eagle agreed and joined Peter and Lion. Joined. Mountains.
Tall and craggy.
Okay, the mountains were tall and craggy. Okay, काफी बड़ी बड़ी mountains थी, ऊंची नीची.
Lion slipped.
Lion slipped. Slipped मतलब गिरना. Okay, but Peter was swift enough. Swift enough मतलब he was, वो slip नहीं हो रहा था. Okay, he was stable.
Peter was swift enough to give him a hand and pull him up.
Because he was stable, so he was swift enough to give him a hand and pull him up. Okay, वो फिसल नहीं रहा था, right? Pull him up.
Eagle, with his sharp vision, watched every step they took.
So eagle with his sharp vision watched, main verb, watched every step they took. Okay, जैसे जैसे वो बढ़ रहे थे वो ऊपर से देख रहा था, right? Eagle.
Soon they reached the valley below.
Soon where did they reach? They reached. तो they के साथ क्या use होता है? Reached. We were doing this. She reaches. He reaches. They reached. वो पहुंच गए already. They reached the valley below. Valley कहाँ पर थी? नीचे. Below. Preposition. Below. Okay? Up. Down. Above. Below. Remember we did these preposition. The cat was above the bat. The rat was below the cat. So below. Where did they reach? They reached the valley below.
Where they met sheep.
Where they met, now they met sheep. Okay? Sheep. What is it? Sheep.
Will you join us in our search?
Okay, again. Will you join us? Question. Will you join us in our search? What are they searching? In our search. हम कैसे बोलते हैं इसको? Again, it's an in our search for a treasure. What is for? Preposition. In our search for a treasure. Will you join us? In our search for a treasure. In our search for a mobile. In our search for a cabin. Anything, whatever you are searching. Okay?
For a treasure?
For a treasure,
Peter asked.
asked. And keep us warm when it's cold. So naturally, sheep has that wool, right? So he can keep them warm, right? When it is cold, because it's cold out there in forest. So sheep can help them to keep them, sheep can keep them warm when it's cold out there.
Sheep agreed.
Again, sheep agreed and joined Peter, main verb. Again, he agreed and joined Peter.
They joined Peter,
Lion and eagle.
A cold
Wind swept across. Okay, a cold wind swept across. मतलब cold wind chali. Swept across the endless meadow. Meadow means farms. Okay, this is a meadow. We are walking in the meadow. Okay.
meadow. They all huddled against sheep.
They all huddled against the sheep, who kept them warm and cozy. Huddled means उसके आसपास ही रहे वो, because it was cold. Okay? तो वो sheep क्या था? उनको warm रख रहा था, right? Because they were not wearing sweaters and jackets. So they were all together. They were moving together. Who kept them warm and cozy. Warm क्या है? Adjective students. तो शीप ने कैसा रखा उन लोगों को? वार्म एंड कोजी. दिस जैकेट इज वार्म एंड कोजी. तभी आप जैकेट खरीदते हो ना, व्हेन इट्स वार्म एंड कोजी, राइट? कोजी मीन्स अच्छी. ओके, यू आर फीलिंग कंफर्टेबल
kept them warm
and cozy.
The four
finally reached the desert.
where they met camel.
Now they met camel. Where did they reach? They reached a desert. Now it's hot. Okay, where they met camel.
You are called the ship of the desert.
You are called, आपको बोला जाता है, you are called the ship of the desert. So see, where do we use the for unique things, right? For specific things, for particular things. The ship of desert, the king, the queen, the sun, the moon, the ship of desert. Okay, so what is the article? यहाँ पर क्या है? The article. Said Peter to camel,
Will you help
us
across and join
so again will से question बनाया, will you help us and join the treasure hunt too?
in the treasure hunt too? Camel agreed.
So क्या आप हमको desert पार कराओगे so that you know we can carry forward with this treasure hunt? Camel agreed. Peter, lion and sheep mounted the camel.
and set off.
Mounted the camel means उसके साथ साथ चले. Okay, or they all sat on him and set off happily
across the vast desert.
across the vast desert. बहुत बड़ा था desert. Okay, right? With eagle enjoying.
Eagle in
Mounted मतलब जैसे हम जब माउंट करते हैं ना किसी चीज को, like the TV is mounted on the wall. Okay, उसके ऊपर, the camel के ऊपर वो लोग चढ़े and with eagle
doing the
enjoying.
spectacle from
Spectacle from
above.
above. The spectacle, new word. Spectacle मतलब वो view बहुत ही अच्छा था. Naturally, when you go for a desert safari and all, you sit on the camel, right? You take a camel ride. Yes or no? So the view was spectacle from above. Above, from above, preposition. उसके ऊपर से. View was beautiful, breathtaking.
Camel began galloping, and everybody cheered with excitement.
So everybody cheered with excitement. They were very happy because finally they were going for their treasure hunt. Crossing the desert on camel's back. So they were crossing the desert on camel's back. So on is what? Preposition.
Crossing the desert on camel's back was thrilling.
So what it was? It was thrilling. They were very much excited, right? The ride was thrilling.
The five finally reached the ocean.
The five finally reached the ocean. Now they finally reached the ocean where they met Turtle. What is this? Turtle. Where they met Turtle.
They met Turtle.
Turtle.
Can you help us cross the ocean?
So see again, they have made the question with what? Helping verb. Can you pass me the jug? Can you pass me the pen? Can you help us cross the ocean? So you can do this kind of action, cross the ocean. Okay, I'm going to cross the river. I'm going to cross the bridge. Okay, can you help us cross the ocean?
Peter asked Turtle.
Peter asked Turtle.
We are on a treasure hunt.
We are what? We all are on a treasure hunt. We are. We, subject, are helping verb. We are on a treasure hunt. They all are. Camel, sheep, eagle. They all are on a treasure hunt.
Turtle agreed
and joined Peter. Lion, sheep, and camel, they all joined together.
The rough waves almost drowned the party.
The rough waves कैसी थी? Rough. And what's the pronunciation? Waves. Okay, almost drowned the party. Drowned मतलब डूब जाना. Okay, इतनी तेज थी that they were drowning. What's the meaning of drowning? डूब जाना. Drowned. Almost drowned the party. Repeat. Almost drowned the party. Party means the entire troop.
But Turtle skillfully transported them.
But Turtle skillfully because he can swim. He skills थे उसके पास. Skillfully transported them across. उनको बिठाकर transported them across. Okay?
Cross. They met
Owl on the other side. Now finally they met Owl on the other side. I met my friend on the other side of the bridge. I met my friend on the other side of the bridge. On preposition. On the other side. He was standing on the other side of the road. उस पार खड़ा था वो. On the other side.
Owl spoke from his ancient wisdom.
So Owl spoke. Speak का क्या हो जाता है past में? Spoke. Owl spoke from his ancient wisdom. Ancient मतलब बहुत पुराना. Wisdom मतलब knowledge, experience. उसने अपने wisdom और knowledge से कुछ बोला. Okay? Owl spoke from his ancient wisdom. Speak with me. Try. Owl spoke from his ancient. It's an ancient temple. बहुत पुराना. It's an ancient fort. Okay? Old, very old. Ancient wisdom. Because he was quite experienced.
Congratulations. You have found the treasure.
You have found the treasure. Congratulations. Expression. So there you give an expression in there.
Where is it?
Where is it?
They all exclaimed
in surprise. उन्होंने पूछा, exclaimed. कहाँ है treasure? Where it is? They all exclaimed in surprise. Okay? Surprise means again an expression. Together, you have passed the forest, climbed the mountains, dared the valley, braved the desert, and crossed the ocean. Means आपने सारी चीजें की skillfully. You crossed the ocean, you crossed the desert, you crossed the valley, dared the valley. इतनी गहरी वैली थी उसको भी आपने इतने you dared to cross it. Okay? We खेलते ना make game truth and dare. Same thing. And cross the ocean.
You would never have done it without one another.
You would have. So you would क्या है? Modal verb. You would have never done it. Okay? Without one another. अकेले तो आप कर ही नहीं पाते सारी चीजें. You did it together. That was the treasure hunt. They all looked at each other and realized that Owl was right. They have found friendship. Indeed. Indeed, हम कब बोलते हैं? Yes, I found this. She's my newfound friend. Indeed. जब आप बहुत खुश होते हो, बहुत certain होते हो. Yes, I did this. I found someone new. I found a new friend. Yes, indeed, they found what? Friendship with each other. The greatest treasure ever. The greatest treasure ever. Yes, they all found this bond of friendship. That was the treasure hunt. I hope you all understand.